with all its power. Have you ever wondered how far a sneeze can travel? Hold on tight. When you sneeze with all your might, that air coming out of your nose and mouth can go faster than a race car. Yes, yes. At over 150 kilometers per hour. It's as if your nose is saying, "Attention. We're taking off." And that air is full of tiny droplets. So small you can't see them. But they fly like invisible astronauts. All over the room. If you sneeze without covering yourself, they can travel several meters. Like launching a rocket with millions of mini messages. That's why it's so important to use your elbow as a shield. And not let those droplets travel unchecked. Stop sneezing. Sneezing doesn't always come on its own.